This old treadle machine looks ordinary, doesn't it? But did you know that sewing machines used to cause riots, bankrupted inventors, and even sparked the world's first great patent war? For more than 200 years, dreamers and inventors poured their lives into these machines. Some became legends, and others lost everything. Every treadle, including mine, carries a hidden story. Do you know yours? I thought I knew the story of my treadle until I discovered it's not what I believed at all. Join me as we uncover the dramatic history of the sewing machine and learn how to unlock the secrets of your own treadle. Subscribe to Historically Inspired Adventures and don't miss episode 1. Your treadle has a story. Let's discover it together.